Well, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Denisse. I'm from Guatemala, and one of the reasons why I start with this idea is because I know a person that is an entrepreneur, and one of the principal issues that this person has most of the time is the money. So this is a sometimes for some people, and especially for founders entrepreneurs is an issue because it makes difficult to make their dreams or their ideas go wrong. So I know this person very well, and this person one day decide to go out to explore the world, to see what's going on, to see what kind of new technologies or what kind of new ideas and business can make happen their dreams true, her dreams true, sorry. So I know this person, and what I want to do with this idea is to help not only one startup, it's not to help only one person, it's to help people around the world that this the person that I'm talking about is me. Yeah, so I know a lot of people, a lot of entrepreneurs that they want to make their dreams true, but sometimes it's difficult. It's difficult to find a good investor, a good partner. It's very difficult. So with MoneyBeans, what I want to do is to grow, to help startups to grow, to find investors, to connect investors with the startups, and make it happen, their dreams or their ideas. Invest. We want to transfer money. Sorry. We want to have the finances. This application transfer, spend, invest, and you can choose. You will be able to choose any startup. Who we are? So we are a platform. Is based on blockchain. We want to introduce the blockchain in the stock market. So what we want to do is to have your shares in the stock market as a startup and make it like more safe using blockchain technology with smart contracts, and then you will be able to receive and transfer money whatever you are. And we focus to connect the investor and the startup around the world, not only focus in the Central America market, not only in Latin America, not only in US. I want to do it in Europe and Asia because I make connections around the world. So that's why I have this idea global, not just in one market. And we also want to do payments. This is how it works, the payments, the stock market. The principal problem is that we don't have, sometimes these startups doesn't have money, they need investment. And there is not a marketplace safe that where investors can invest and trust in these small businesses. So we have around 1,600 startups, and we can connect with 4,500 entrepreneurs in 85 countries around the world. So this is just a small number that what can we do at the moment. And how's the market? Well, there are a lot of investors, especially in US. The US has a good economy, and what we want to do is to connect US to other countries and make this idea globally. I want to make presence in all the world. Our customers will be investors and the startups, but the startups, well, I will explain later how it works, the business model. but I want to focus in this kind of startups ideas, everything related with technology, with food tech, with agro-industry, with insurance, and also solar industry, because I know that these are the businesses that are making impact at the moment. The United States startups market is this. As you can see, there are some names here, are some names that are famous, like Design Sales, Yule. These startups are related with technology, so we can connect with them. I know that you also have connections with other ones, but these are the most important for me. And in Europe, I also have connections with these startups. And in Central America, I have connections with Acela. This is a small organization. Well, it's not small, but they have all the connections with the startups in all Latin America. And it's part of my business model. Well, how it works. To open your account, put all your details as an investor, and also as an startup. But this is the view of as an investor, how you will see your the application. So you will create the account, then after to put all your details, you will find your account. You can invest from $10 till whatever you want, 10,000, 20,000, it doesn't matter. Our investors network, I put a startup in Nevada because I was there, and I meet Jeff, I meet Jacob, and I trust in this kind of identities. So that's why I want to connect with their investors. And also in Miami, I came here to make connections with Miami-Dade. So I will love to work together with these organizations. The business model is this. So through our application that we are MoneyBeans, we will be the face. We will be the application where any startup that is established legally, formally in their country, or doesn't matter, they will have the access to be connected, to use our application. And how it works is like these small, these names that you see under Impact Hub, Acela, Acegua, unit, these are organizations that I already make the connections in these different areas. For example, Acegua they have the connection with all the startups in Central America. Acela connect us with Latin American market, and Impact Hub connect us with Europe. And Unit 2, Rice and Beans this is my first startup. What I want to do is to connect with the startups that are not too small, are big, like a corporative. So we are gonna charge a fee of $350 per startup to have the access to connect with investors and use our application so that they will be able to promote their startup, to put their startup in our application. And then from the investor side you will be able to invest from $10. And we are not going to use the word shares. I'm gonna use tokens because it's safe. So the investor will be able to buy 100 tokens, any number of tokens, and then they will get assets. The assets means that they will be able to have a startup. Yeah. So the price, it depends of the entrepreneur, how much they want to charge for their shares. It doesn't matter. And I also want to connect with these organizations and the regulations partnership, because I want to do this trade application has to be legally, and we have to show that, because some people outside of US doesn't trust too much in the trade market. They don't trust in stocks, but this is something that is legally, and I want to promote this, to show that it's totally legally. And well, I don't know if there is any question.
Just put your contact slide up there at the end so we can see.
This is my address in Guatemala, where we are based. This is my contact number and my email.
Great. Thanks, Denisse.
Thank you so much. I didn't put on our team because I think it's better to send later our names. And
yeah, that's fine. Thanks, Denisse. You can stop sharing your slides so we can actually see you. That'd be helpful.
Okay, thank you.